Hi everyone, welcome to Imaging Study. Today we are going to see a case of incomplete abortion. A young married female patient came with amenorrhoea for 3 months. She had a history of pervaginal bleeding with fleshy mass expulsion. She also complained for severe lower abdominal pain and gave history of using abortifacient drugs for induced abortion. Let's see what we get on ultrasound. Here's the longitudinal section of the uterus. You can see the uterus is bulky, the endometrium is thickened. You can see the internal os is dilated and mixed echogenic substance noted at the cervical cavity, both in longitudinal and also in transverse section. In transverse section, you can also see the endometrium is thickened. And here is the mixed echogenic substance at the cervical cavity, which indicates the retained products of conception. Here's the still image of the uterus in longitudinal section, and you can see mixed echogenic substance along with some collection noted at the cervical cavity. So in summary, we have seen bulky uterus with thickened endometrium, irregular mixed echogenic substances within the cervical cavity indicating incomplete abortion. Now the take-home message. In confusing cases, both longitudinal and transverse sections will help you confirm retained products of conception. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. See you on the next one. Have a nice day.